Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see it, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. Oh, my bad. Like this. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called sounds and vibration. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down and you will see the category called volume. And here we have different types of volumes. We have ringtone and notifications volume, call volume, media volume, alarm volume, and that's about all. And we can adjust the volumes by tapping on the plus and minus buttons, or if you hover over it, oh, no, never mind, you can't. I was sure you can also use the crown button, but looks like you can't. Okay, so only the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the volumes to your liking. You can also enable or disable the option to ring while on the wrist. So basically, alarms and timers will ring even though you're wearing your watch. And that's about all, I believe. Then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.